Hello students, in this lesson we will know about the redox reactions, and here in this video we will see the types of redox reactions. So here in this video we will continue the earlier video of types of redox reactions. Here we will see the displacement reaction. The reaction in which one ion or atom in a compound is displaced by an ion or atom of other element are called displacement reactions. In general, a displacement reaction may be expressed as xy plus z will give you x plus zy. So here you can see that y is displaced by z. Displacement reactions are of two types: metal displacement and non-metal displacement. So first of all, we will know about the metal displacement reactions. In these reactions, a metal in a compound can be displaced by another metal in the uncombined state. Some common examples of metal displacement reactions are as follows. Here in the first reaction you can see copper sulfate when will react with zinc, then copper will be displaced by zinc, and thus you can see that the copper is reducing here and zinc is oxidizing. So you can see that the oxidation number of copper will become 0 from +2, while oxidation number of zinc will become +2 from 0. Similarly, in the next reaction you can see vanadium oxide V2O5 when will react with calcium, then vanadium oxide will reduce to vanadium and calcium will oxidize to form calcium oxide, and thus you can see that oxidation number of vanadium will become 0 from +5, while it becomes +2 of calcium from 0. So it is showing that vanadium is reducing here and calcium is oxidizing. Now come to the non-metal displacement reaction. The non-metal displacement redox reaction is mainly hydrogen displacement or oxygen displacement reactions. So in the first reaction you can see here sodium when will react with water, then sodium will oxidize here to form NaOH, sodium hydroxide, and one molecule of hydrogen is reducing, and you can see here that sodium will get the oxidation state +1 from 0, while hydrogen will get oxidation state 0 from +1. Similarly, in the next reaction you can see that when calcium will react with water, then it will form calcium hydroxide and one molecule of hydrogen will remove here, and here calcium is oxidizing, thus you can see the oxidation state of calcium will become +2 from 0, while the oxidation state of hydrogen will become 0 from +1. So these are the displacement redox reactions. Now come to the disproportionation reaction. These are the reactions in which an element in one oxidation state is simultaneously oxidized and reduced. In the other words, one reacting substance in a disproportionation reaction always contains an element that can exhibit at least 3 oxidation states. So here's the example for this. You can see H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide, when will decompose in water and oxygen molecule, then the oxidation states of oxygen will become changed, and thus this reaction will become the example of disproportionation reaction. You can see here in this reaction oxygen is showing 3 oxidation states. Here in H2O2 oxidation state of oxygen is -1, while in H2O oxidation state of oxygen is -2, while in oxygen molecule in the form of gas oxygen is showing its oxidation state 0. So here are 3 oxidation states of oxygen: -1, -2 and 0. So this is the example of disproportionate reaction.